Welcome to the lesson on function operations. So you're going to see a new notation, f plus g of x. That can be rewritten as f of x plus g of x. And we substitute what f of x and g of x are, which is given to us. F of x equals 3x plus 2, g of x equals 4 minus 5x. We simply substitute into this equation f of x plus g of x, the respective functions. So we end up with 3x plus 2 plus 4 minus 5x, which we can just write as 3x minus 5x plus 2 plus 4. And when we combine like terms, our final answer, f plus g of x equals negative 2x plus 6. It is very, very similar for subtraction. You have f minus g of x. That can be rewritten as f of x minus g of x. So I'm going to take my functions, substitute them in. I have 3x plus 2 minus 4 minus 5x. The only thing you have to be aware of is to make sure you distribute your negative into the second function. So I'll have 3x plus 5x, and I'll have plus 2 and minus 4. If I combine like terms, I get 8x minus 2. Multiplication, also very similar. We've done this before as well. F times g of x is the same as f of x times g of x. So I'm going to substitute in my respective functions. So 3x plus 2 times 4 minus 5x. We multiply the firsts, and then the outers, and then the inners, and then the lasts. Multiply them together, you get 12x plus 8 minus 15x squared minus 10x. Combine like terms and put in terms of largest exponent and descending to the right. So negative 15x squared plus 2x plus 8 is our answer. Next we have division. F divided by g of x is again the same as f of x divided by g. So I just substitute my function into their proper location, into the formula, and this cannot be simplified any more than it already is. Therefore, our final answer would be 3x plus 2 over 4 minus 5x. And last but not least, which might be a new thing for you, is function composition. So given f of x equals 2x plus 3 and g of x equals negative x squared plus 5, find f of g of x. That's how you say this. It is also written as this right here. So just like if I had f of x and I say f of x equals 2x plus 3. Just like if I had f of 2. What is f of 2? If I was asked that. Wherever I see an x, that's where I'm going to put a 2. Just like f of x, f of 2, okay, if you look at f of 2, 2 replaces the x. So over on the right side of the equation, the 2 needs to replace the x. I would do that. 4 plus 3 is 7, so f of 2 would equal 7. In the same respect, f of g of x, this looks very confusing, but let's take it step by step and break it down. Let's start in the inside and work our way out. What is g of x? Well, g of x is negative x squared plus 5. So wherever I see g of x, that's where I'm going to substitute g of x. So f of negative x squared plus 5. Now, we've only ever seen either just x or some number. Now there's a function in there. Well, it's the same concept as up here to the right. I'm going to take whatever replaces x in the function, and I'm going to substitute it in place of x. So in this gap, we are going to write negative x squared plus 5. From there, you are going to distribute the 2. You get negative 2x squared plus 10 plus 3, combine like terms, and your final answer is negative 2x squared plus 13. That's all I have for this lesson. If you didn't fully understand, make sure you go back and review, take some notes. Go ahead, try your homework. If you have any questions, reach out to me. Math Cafe is open from 9 to 3 every day with a teacher in there willing to help you out. I'll be in there Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday at 11 a.m.